eye contact challenge. Uso po ito na challenge sa Korean variety shows and I want you both to try it because I believe in both of your chemistry. I'm gonna stand right in between the two of you, tapos lalagay ko po yung papel, so mag-eye contact po kayo. And first to look away or first to show any type of emotion, sila po ang talo.
So emotionless.
Yes.
Nanalo na siya.
Ay!
Full of emotions ako eh. Ito, ano siya eh, nonchalant.
So, I believe when making the best alibis, one of the best things you have to keep is poker face and eye contact pag nagsisinungaling ka. So with that being said, here are the two lies you have to say while making eye contact. Sir Pao, your line for Ate Kim is, hindi ka cute, without making any emotion. Yours naman po is, hindi kita gusto. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. If you're ready. Who wants to go first?
Ikaw una.
Or baka may naisip po kayo na linya na alam mo sa sarili mo na mapapagalaw siya or mapapangiti po siya.
So,
Any kilig
Sige,
lang.
we start with the lines you said then.
Okay.
We can,
Alright. So, hindi kita gusto.
Kailan yung next line?
Siya po muna and then next cover ulit. 1, 2, 3.
Hindi ka cute.
Hindi kita gusto.
Nagsisinungaling ka.
Mas sinungaling ka.
Nagsisinungaling ka na hindi mo ako gusto. Kitang-kita ko sa mata mo.
Nagagandahan ka talaga sa akin.
Oo.
Bawal pumikit siya!
Bawal ba pumikit?
Pwede na
Bawal.
pumikit.
Pwede pumikit.
1, 2, 3.
Ang sexy mo.
Talo. Na-speechless agad si Ate.
Na-speechless ako. Like, oh my God. Naniniwala na talaga ako. Sexy ako.
Was that real or was that an alibi?
They'd have to watch the show to find out. Parang may kinalaman eh. No?
Ikaw yung talo, parang siya po yung napagod.
Yes, kasi effort yun sa kanya mag-compliment. Salamat.
Okay.
Ay, nice shirt.